Central, engine 62, engine 60, engine 63, Tower 2 Rescue 4261 Madison Avenue, Putnam Avenue, Halsted Avenue. Report to house fire. Engine 62, 63, Tower 2 Rescue 4261 Madison Avenue, Putnam Avenue, Halsted Avenue. Report to house fire. 1343-678.
Well, it's midnight, damn right, we're wound up too tight. I got a fist full of whiskey, the bottle just bit me. Oh, that shit makes me batshit crazy.
Control, Portchester, 1075 been transmitted. Ladder 30, an engine from purchase, an engine from line. Panoramic, you're fast, deep. Tarrytown, Cascade, Portchester, EMS, Gardendale, back. Rehab, Battalion 15. 119, 119 Smith Street and Olivia Street, William Street. Structure fire, all units fire, EMS 15.
Guidebook. Engine 62, engine 64, rescue 41, purchase, fuel rescue, Portchester EMS, number 1, Tamarack Road, in the area of the Portchester High School, for a motor vehicle accident, possible execution.
Engine 60, engine 64, engine 61, Tower Ladder 2, Rescue 40, 55, that's 55 Soundview Street between William Street and Westchester Avenue on the reported structure fire. Engine 60, engine 64, engine 61, Tower Ladder 2, Rescue 40, 55, that's 55 Soundview Street between William Street and Westchester Avenue on the reported structure fire. 1837, 674.